Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm back with yet another tutorial for headbands. So this is a quick and easy headband that I'll show you today. So let's get started. So in order to make this headband, I'm going to chain 16. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So here I have my chain 16. Now I will do a single crochet in the second chain and all the chain across. So this is the first chain, the second chain, do a single crochet and continue till the end of the chain. So I finished my single crochet. So for row 2 I'm going to chain 1, turn, and in the same chain space I will again do a single crochet. Now I will chain 1, I'll skip the next single crochet, and in the next I will do a single crochet again. Chain 1, skip 1 chain, in the next do a single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, do a single crochet. So I will continue this till the end of the row. So at the end you see I have 2 single crochets. So I've done a chain 1 and I will do a single crochet in the last chain, last single crochet. Now I will chain 1 for the third row, turn again, so I'll do a chain 1 and turn, do a single crochet in the same chain space, chain 1, skip the chain, in the single crochet I'll do a single crochet, now I will chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this part might look a little tricky, but yeah, if you have followed me so far you will be able to get to this part as well. So I'm going to skip 2 single crochets. This is the first single crochet, this is the second single crochet. I'm going to skip these 2 and the chain space after these 2 single crochets. So I'm going to work in this space, but not on the second row, but on the first row basically. So I've made my chain, in this chain space, I'm going to insert the hook and do a slip stitch. So let me show that to you again. So here I have my chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what I will do is I will skip 2 single crochets. This is 1 single crochet, this is the second single crochet, and this is the chain space. So the single crochet below this chain space is where I need to insert my hook, wrap my yarn around and do a slip stitch. This is actually the lacy arrow stitch, so you can also follow a tutorial for the lacy arrow stitch. So now I'm going to chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I will skip, this is the next single crochet, I'll skip this single crochet, I'll skip another single crochet. In the third single crochet I will do a single crochet. So this is how it looks. You can see a V. I will chain 1 in the last single crochet. I'll do a single crochet. So here on the pattern will become a little easier to follow. So for the next row I will chain 1, turn my work around, do a single crochet in the same chain space, chain 1. In the next single crochet I'll do a single crochet again, chain 1. So now we will be working in the previous rows. So this is where we have started. This is our V. In the row below that is where we will be working. So I've done a chain 1. Now I will do a double crochet in each of the single crochets from the previous row. So this is the single crochet. So in this, the next single crochet I will do a double crochet, chain 1, next single crochet, do a double crochet again, chain 1, chain 1, and so in all the skipped single crochets, we skipped 4 single crochets earlier. So in those 4 single crochet we are doing a double crochet, then chain 1. Now we'll work in the V row and not in the previous one. So we will do a single crochet and a single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. So to start the next row I will chain 1 again, turn my work, single crochet in the same chain space, chain 1, single crochet in the next chain, and this is where our V starts again. So I will chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, now we need to insert or make a V in this chain space. So you'll basically skip both the two double crochets in the chain space. Between two double crochets is where you will do a slip stitch. So this is the chain space between the two double crochets, so I'm doing a slip stitch, chain 5 again, and then this is a single crochet. So to make a single crochet in the single crochet, chain 1 and single crochet in the last single crochet. Next row I will chain 1, single crochet in the same space, chain 1, single crochet in the next chain space, chain 1, and we will again follow the double crochet from here. So in each of the double crochets we will do a double crochet. So from here on you just have to repeat the previous 2 rows. The row where you make a V and the row where you do a double crochet. So basically instead of single crochets we are doing a double crochet in each of the double crochet, and wherever you have a single crochet you will do a single crochet, and wherever you there was a skip from the previous rows, you skip by doing a chain 1. Chain 1 and then work into the current row, single crochet, chain 1 and single crochet. For the next row again, chain 1, turn the work, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 5, skip 2 double crochets in the chains in the space between, do a slip stitch, chain 5, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. So you can continue to follow this pattern till the desired length, and I'll show you how to finish it off. So here I have finished with the desired length, and I finished it with a row of double crochet. So I will chain 1, turn, and find the other end. So now I'll slip stitch in the back loops and in the loop from the foundation chain. I'll slip stitch. So this is the first stitch. I'll continue till the end of it. I'll cut this. I'll tie this and I'll sew them in. Sew both the ends in. So this is how your headband looks after it's finished. So I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.